Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the smooth blur video background transition in a CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, and on the second one go to remove background and select auto removal. Then you are going to go to effects here and you're going to type in blur. You're going to select it and you're going to add it to the first video. I'm just going to adjust it so it's not too blurry. Then select this video. I'm just going to copy and paste that again, and then on the second one I'm going to remove the effects. Here I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select horizontal and I'm going to rotate it this way. Add a keyframe here, and in the end or in the middle you're going to select the mask and drag it to the right side like so. You can add a line if you want. I'm just going to make it a little bit more blurry actually so you guys can see the difference. You can add in a line if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.